It's your girl HettyAmens. Hi, what's up? It's your girl HettyAmens of Hetty's Beauty Parlor. You know what it is. Alright, so hey, what's up, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. So, I feel like it's actually been a minute. I gave you guys some fair idea or a view of what has been happening with my client. So, summer is here, and then you know, guys, like a whole lot of programs, weddings, baby dedication, parties, like a whole lot. So, I came back to you guys with another makeup session with my clients. So hey, the difference is that when I show you guys videos of my client session, it is actually not a tutorial. If you're able to learn something out of it, fine, but hey, it is just for you to have a view of what goes on with my clients and you know how everything turns out. So hey, just watch, and then later I'll leave you guys to watch this video, and then I'll just keep mute in this voiceover. I just came to say hi because I miss you guys. So you guys can follow me on Instagram at HettyAmens, of course, and then on Facebook, yeah, at Hetty's Beauty Parlor. So just follow and see the products that I used. All products will be listed on the screen as and when I choose or use them. And then hey, don't forget to say hi to me on Facebook, and then just follow me on Instagram so you see pictures of how everything went. So I say goodbye and expect more and more from me, guys, because the summer season is here and it's going crazy with wig making, makeup, delivery, shipping, like a whole lot. So see you guys in my next video. Bye. So voila, we are done. Okay, so I hurried up right after this event or this client and prepared to travel to Switzerland. Yes, on the same day after this client, I really had to travel to Switzerland for another occasion. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video, and obviously yes, there will be a Switzerland vlog. See how my bride is looking gorgeous. So this is Linda, and I did like her makeup at the end of the day. So hey Alfred and Linda, congratulations. So these are pictures of their bridesmaids, and we say thank you for choosing Hetty's Beauty Parlor. And if you are still waiting for that special day, contact us and see if you want to look fabulous. So these are our numbers, and we are into makeup, wigs, hairstyling and care. So bye.